David Chytraeus de Ratione Discendi, Episode 22. As we continue on with Chytraeus' argument, we have a rather long section here. We have to include the whole of it in order to get the main verb, consequi possent, but we will only translate through here and take up the second portion in Episode 23. So let's first read. Primum igitur in omnibus studiorum laboribus et in omni quius cunque autoribus lectione suscipienda, cogitent studiosi, quam inde utilitatem et fructum, vel ad sunasin hoc est rerum cognitionem et sapientiam adipiscendam, vel ad dunamen hermeneuticain hoc est facultatem recte dicendi et scribendi comparandam, consequi possent. So Chytraeus, in the previous episode 21, he talked about the sunasin, which he equated to sapientia, and the dunamin, which he equated to facultatem. Now he's going to elaborate on those ideas. Therefore, in the first place, in omnibus studiorum laboribus, in all of the labors or tasks of those who are studying, students, those who are zealous. So within we have laboribus, masculine, plural, and ablative, modified by omnibus, and then studiorum, which of course will be neuter, plural, and genitive, and refers not to the persons, because then we would have something like discipulorum, but it refers to the studies themselves or pursuits. In all the labors of one's pursuits, and in omni lectione. So the lectione here is the object of this preposition in, and lectione is feminine, singular, and ablative. And in all of the reading, quiuscunque autoris. Now, quiuscunque autoris, masculine, singular, and genitive. And in all the reading of any author whatsoever, all the reading that is undertaken, suscipienda. So this also is feminine, singular, and ablative. And of course, suscipienda is a gerundive. So let's reprise the translation of just this first part. We would say, in the first place, therefore, in all the tasks of one's studies, and in all of the reading that is undertaken of any author whatsoever, cogitent studiosi. Now we get the subject. Studiosi, masculine, plural, and nominative. Those who are zealous, those who are devoted, or we could say perhaps a little more mundanely, students, cogitent. Let them think. Let them concentrate about this. Let them meditate. Cogitent is third plural. It's present, subjunctive, and active, and it's being used here as an independent subjunctive. We would label it as a usive. So in all of these ways, let the students think about. Now, what are they going to think about? Well, quam through the end of the sentence, which is divided into two parts right here. So we would say, let them consider how, quam, how then, from this, how they can pursue, consequi possent, how they can pursue usefulness and value. Or we can take quam not as an interrogative, but as not an interrogative adverb, but as an interrogative adjective modifying utilitatem and fructum. Let them consider what value or advantage and fruit they can obtain, consequi possent. Then he's going to say whether this applies to, to the understanding, that is, to the cognitionem and sapientiam, the knowledge and the wisdom of affairs. And we see here adipiscendam. So this is ad plus the gerundive, which expresses purpose. We have ad, then cognitionem, or sapientiam, and then the gerundive adipiscendam. Now, adipiscendam is from a deponent third conjugation verb, adipiscor, like so, adipisci. So let them consider, cogitent, how they can obtain, or what usefulness and fruit they can obtain, either for the getting of knowledge and wisdom of things, which he labels as sunasin, or for the second part. And so we will leave this portion because we have another well there. Let me use a different color to make it more clear. We have another well there. You can see it's not just well ad sunasin, but it's also well ad dunamin, and it will have its own gerunds here and a gerundive, which is quite a complicated style that Chytraeus is giving us. Gratias vobis agimus. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed that lesson and that you learned something. To continue the free learning, check out the more than 2,400 lessons here on the channel. If you want to master the language, though, I suggest you join me as a channel member or on Patreon. You will get interactive quizzes, direct coaching, and personalized feedback so that you can really master the language, gain confidence, and have more fun with the things that we're doing. The lowest tier of membership starts at just $1.99. So I have to say, nolite mordrardri, what are you waiting for? Thanks again so much for watching, and vale tutte omnes.